What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to today's video. Today I will be giving you guys a complete walk around and full in-depth review, as well as giving you guys all the facts and show you guys all the mods and everything that's been done to the new M3 I just got. I know the last video I gave you guys a review. I didn't really go into too much detail and I tend to get carried away like I did on that last video, but today I am trying to stay on track. Right here in front of you guys is my new E92 M3. Now this is a 2010 ZCP, so it's the competition packaged M3. It's got the carbon fiber roof on that bad boy. Ooh, yeah. We also got carbon fiber side mirrors. Now if you guys don't know, the E92 or E90 M3s, they all come with BMW's S65, I think is what it's called. This is my first BMW, guys, so please, if I apologize, if I get something wrong, correct me down in the comments and let me know, because I'm scared, I'm frightened. This thing right here, anything goes down, anything breaks, that check engine light turns on, done for. Now let me tell you guys something. This thing right here is it's amazing, man. I have never in my life thought I'd ever be able to own one of these. Now depreciation is on my side. I got this thing for the cheap, man. This killer deal, man. Shout out to Donovan. He is the previous owner. He went out and bought a new Audi R8 and was like, man, I can't have this car sitting out in the front. So Jimmy Lamb came to scoop. I scooped it up, boom boom. Yeah. Right here in front, previous owner added this cool little carbon fiber lip. The previous owner also put on these cool daytime running halos. I love this touch right here. It actually just makes the car stand out so much more. Now one thing I do dislike about this car though, guys, is it's sitting on 20s, and as you can see, this is like a donk. I'm like sitting on donks, man. This thing is so high off the ground. Even though the wheel gap isn't as bad, but man, that thing definitely is gonna go lower. Now that's later on in the future. I don't want to tell and spoil you guys of what I'm trying to do. Man, I'm trying to make this thing look like Finding Nick's, man. Nick, if you're watching this, man, I'm gonna copy you, all right? We also got a carbon fiber rear wing right here. I don't know any of the names. And just to let you guys know, this car is bought, not built. I did not do a single thing to this car. I bought it just the way it is. Carbon fiber rear diffuser. And these side little canards, or whatever you guys want to call these right here. Oh man. As well as a carbon fiber. In Subaru terms, we call this the vortex generator. I don't know what this would be called, guys. Just tell me what would be the best for that. It's got a dine-in chip and tune. He put the sticker on there, you know, just let everybody know that we're dining out here. Now I am in the neighborhood right now. I'm in a cul-de-sac. I pulled over to a random neighborhood, so I don't know if they'll like it if I rev the exhaust too high, but oh well, let's do it. I'm gonna give you guys a little rev. Now this right here, this exact exhaust setup is the Megan axle back, and he had CTP or KTP cutouts. It's a little remote in the car that I can open and close valves, make the exhaust more loud. There you guys have it. This is the heart of the car right here. BMW S65 naturally aspirated V8. Previous owner put a K&N intake on it. Dine-in chip and tune, I've already said that. That's it on the performance mods, I think. All black interior. Oh yeah. Interior has been kept in a pretty good condition for being a 10-year-old car with almost 100,000 miles on it. Tara, welcome to today's video. How are you doing? Let's go ahead, hop up in here, because neighbors is coming outside is what Tara's talking about. Ooh, check out that carbon fiber steering wheel. DCT transmission, dual clutch. I wish I did get the manual, but I mean, I'm not complaining. This car is amazing. We're gonna go ahead and drive off here though because a neighbor is coming out. Oh, this one actually comes with signals too, guys. Check it out. I pressed this little lever right here. Boom. This one signals.
Oh my god.
Woo, you see that? All right, guys, we're on the ride along. Right off the bat, this car is absolutely amazing. It's so comfortable to drive. It's automatic. I live in Texas, and you guys know about the Texas traffic. It is not fun being in traffic with a manual. I know I sound like a wimp coming from the Subaru's 6-speed manual. And sometimes I do wish I did have the manual version of this car. But for the price I got it for, I'm not complaining whatsoever. The S65 revs all the way up to 8,400 RPM, I think. I think it's around there, it's somewhere up there. This thing is a high revving V8, naturally aspirated, extremely fun to drive. Oh my God. You know, one thing I do dislike though is too many of them pulls, you gotta go right back to the gas station, fill up gas again. This thing is a gas guzzler. Eats gas like out the ass. So, if you guys want one of these bad boys, get ready to fill up gas, seriously, because this car is eating. I think I fill up like 2 or 3 times a week. But good thing the tank ain't that much. God damn.
When these roads were horrible.
Now that stock suspension, oh, that's a little rough for stock suspension. I got this EDC button down here, electronic dampening control, stiffens up springs and whatnot. I leave it alone. Tons of things that I'm still trying to learn about the car I don't know about. I'm just taking it day by day, trying to learn as much as I can about this car. Didn't even know how to do an oil change till recently. Good thing there's YouTube. Wow.
I'm over about to die, bro.
About to throw up. Feels like we're on hydraulics. I'm kind of still speechless about it. Like it doesn't seem like a reality to me that I own this car. Well, I don't own it, the bank owns it, but you know, still. Fuck. Jesus. This car is so fun to drive, guys. Oh my God. This thing is fucking fun as hell, man. It handles real well too. Just like my Subaru. This is a track car, man. Now in a straight line, this car isn't as fast as what you think. It's not the fastest car in a straight line, but around the corners, this car can handle corners real well for being 3,700 pounds. Woo! Now the Megan exhaust, it drones a little bit at 3,000 RPMs, but this is that little remote I was telling you guys about. This cool little remote right here. It's got the open and close buttons on it. Open and close my valves at any time I please. But me, being Jimmy Lamb, and I like rice, I like loud, obnoxious cars, I leave it in open. I am planning on getting a catless X-pipe just to wake this beast up a little bit more, because as of right now, it's still soft to me. It's not loud enough. I like loudness. Rice. Oh, we banging corners, boys. Coming in. This is a fun road to drive right here. I'm only going 40 miles per hour, guys. Don't worry. This thing can't go fast like that. Oh my God. That Chrysler, you see him burning on me? Oh, that truck coming in. I stay in the left. Woo, come on in, brother. Woo, right to the right lane. Woo. All right, guys. Thank you guys for checking out today's video. This is the car review. I didn't really write anything down to cover any key points. I kind of just freestyled it and just went along with it and tried to give you guys as much detail as I could, as well as the experience driving this thing, all the mods and whatnot. Please stay tuned. because I got some major plans for this car, and I cannot wait to reveal it to you guys. So please, if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.